Hey, it's Dustin with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace this front panel on the storage drawer on your Frigidaire range. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The drawer can be used to store various pots and pans used for cooking and baking with your Frigidaire range. The front panel on your appliances drawer may need to be replaced if it becomes damaged, dented, or scratched. The front panel and drawer assembly are sold separately. To be sure that you're ordering the correct color panel, be sure to search with your appliance's model number. If you need to replace the drawer assembly or left or right drawer glides on your appliance, be sure to check out our replacement videos linked in the comments. If you need to purchase a replacement panel for your Frigidaire range, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Tools needed for this repair are a T15 Torx screwdriver or bit. Some components may have sharp edges, so you may want to wear protective gloves. To remove the front panel, first remove the drawer assembly. Pull the drawer all the way out and slightly lift on the front of the drawer while slightly pulling it forward. The drawer wheels will then be able to be lifted free. There are 4 T15 screws holding the panel to the drawer assembly. 2 on the inside of the drawer cavity and 2 on the bottom of the drawer. First, remove the 2 T15 screws holding on the front of the panel from the inside of the drawer. Carefully turn the drawer upside down and remove the 2 T15 fasteners attached to the bottom of the panel. It may be easier to remove the front panel by placing the drawer on a flat surface with the panel hanging off of the edge. After removing all 4 screws, the panel will now be free. If you need to purchase a new panel, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to be sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you're getting the correct part and color. Before installing your new panel, give your drawer assembly a quick inspection. Check to see that the inner glides on the outside of the drawer and the pillars that the panel mount on are firmly attached to the drawer assembly. The inner glides and the pillar come installed on the drawer assembly and cannot be tightened. If they are loose or falling off, the drawer assembly should be replaced. You can also inspect the cabinet's drawer glides. These are held to the appliance by one T15 Torx screw that could come loose. This is also a great time to clean the drawer and underneath the appliance. To install the new panel, point the panel edge with the finger grooves towards the ground and slide the panel over the mounting pillars. The bottom edge of the drawer panel should go over the bottom of the drawer assembly. Align the mounting holes and insert both T15 screws and be sure not to over-tighten. If you over-tighten, you can risk stripping out the mounting holes. Flip the drawer over and both mounting holes on the panel should be aligned with the mounting holes in the pillars. If you cannot see the mounting holes, adjust the panel and insert each fastener. Tighten, but like the bottom 2 screws, do not over-tighten. Reinstall the drawer by placing the rollers on the drawer over the rollers in the appliance's glides. Once the rollers are inside of the glide rollers, push the drawer in until it stops. Slightly lift the front of the drawer until the drawer stops clear the glide wheels. Lower the front of the drawer and push it all the way in. Your storage drawer is now ready to use. And that's all for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.